Good evening, YouTube. This is Shonda, founder and CEO of Beautiful in Your Skin. Many of you are doing a squat challenge that's been shown all on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. A couple of readers from my fan page asked me to upload a video of me doing a proper squat. Before I get to that, I want to explain to you, if you have bad knees, please consult with your doctor before doing your exercise. If you have perfectly fine knees like I do, then you should be good to go. I decided to record this one in the comfort of my own home since I know that's where many of you are going to do your squats. What you want to remember is keep your feet hip distance apart. You want to take your abs and pull them in close to that spine as you can. I'm going to incorporate my friends, the 2 5-pounders. So here we go, and let's have fun. I'm going to also step back a couple steps so you can see my form. Here we go. I got the weights in my hand, and what you want to remember is you want to sit down like you're sitting in a seat. So here we go. Sit. Come up and squeeze. Keep the abs in. Go down. Stick that butt out. When you come up, squeeze. Never lock your knees. And don't let your knees go over your toe. Go down. Come up. Squeeze the buttocks. Go back down. Come up. Squeeze the buttocks. Go down. Oh, it feels so good. Come up, squeeze the buttocks, go down. And come up and squeeze the buttocks. Ladies, I really want to see all those before and after photos posted December 31st. So let's have fun squatting.